I am late, Timmy. I'm late. Come here, Tim. Come here, Timmy. What you want, Tim? You want Mary? You want Mary always here? You want always Mary here? What? What you need, Timmy? What do you need, Timmy? You miss Alex? You miss Madam Yuna, right? Right? Okay. Mary, I need to Tim. I need to wash Tim. Alex. It's for Alex, right? What's that sound, Tim? Did you miss Madam Yuna? Your sounds like you said, "Mommy, Mom, Mom." Mom. 41. Timmy? You miss Madam Yuna and Alex? Yes? So, we're together only here. You and me. Okay, Timmy? Are you happy I'm here or you are not happy? Are you happy I'm here? Come here, Tim. Come here, Timmy. Come here, Timmy. Come here, Tim. Are you eating, Alex? Are you eating with Alex, Timmy? Timmy. Timmy. Are you biting me? You want biting me, Tim? Timmy? You want to bite Mary? Tim? Okay, Tim, I need to watering the water. Come with go with me in outside. Come here. Go out. I'm going now. Okay, I'm going out. I need to water the plants. Okay, Timmy. You want outside? Okay. Timmy. I'm watering the plants. Okay. Then you are there under the plants. Are you okay there? Tim? Are you okay there, Timmy? For the meantime, I'm watering the plants. Huh? Are you okay, Tim? Timmy? I'm watering the plants, Tim. Okay, Tim. Are you happy, Timmy? Are you happy? Mary here. Hi, happy Timmy. Comfortable Timmy. Yes. You are comfortable with Mary here. Okay, I will not disturb you, okay? Okay, rest. If you like that there. You need to change your litter. We need to change new one. Okay. That's my slipper, Tim. That's my slipper. Timmy. Come here, Tim. Timmy, kailangan ko nang palitan yung ano niya. Yung sound na. Nagreklamo na. Mabaho na daw. Gusto ko sana palitan yung isang klase. Where are you, Timmy? Where you always nagging, Tim? Come here, Timmy. Natapo na, Tim. Tim? Timmy? Come here, talk to me. Namimiss niya yung ano niya. Amo niya. Wala pa rito. Alex not here. Come here, Tim. Pumunta na sa loob. Linisin ko na ito. Pagkitan ko ng bago. Titry ko na yung ano niya. Ito. Tapos, kasi kanina inamoy-amoy niya ito yung taas. Pagdahuan na siguro siya eh. Wait lang naman siya laging palitan. Every 1 week. Palitan natin. Bibigyan ito guys at saka ano soka para wala siyang amoy. Para ganahan siya na ano. Wala siya mahamay kasi arte niya ito. Kailangan niya inaamang niya ito. Wala siya mag-ano. Kailangan natin i-dry ito ng kakay. Oh, come here, team! Your litter box is clean already. I clean already, Tim. Come here. Check your litter. Your litter box check. And I need to change your son if you are okay, your son. Because you have 2 class of dalawang klase yung ano niya eh. Son. Come here. You like this son? You like this son, Timmy? You like this? Wait. I need to cut. I-try ko kung baka gusto niya to ba. Kasi, ano, yung paraan ayaw niya. Come here, Tim. Come here, Tim. Timmy! Check, Tim. If you like that sun. Maganda yung sun niya, kung ano. You like? Check, Timmy. Check na, check. If you like that. Ayaw mo dyan sa sun, di ba? I want to try on this. Check na. Check, ayaw mo yan? You don't like? It's very expensive one. Yeah, nice. No smell. It's nice. It's very expensive. No smell. You're curious about that. Chinik talaga niya diba? Grabe na po, curious niya. It's okay, Timmy. It's nice, your son. Napaka-sensitive ni Timmy. Ayun, kumain na. Nagustuhan niya. Ayun, nag-try na ang gaga. Ayun, nagtain na siya. Kakalagay lang, tinaihan na. Ayun, lumabas ang tae. Ay, ba, nagustuhan niya. Ayun, tatakpan niya yan. Very good, Timmy. Good job, Timmy. Good job. Success? Success, Timmy? Yes, Timmy. Success. Ayun, tinaihan na niya. Tinaihan na niya yung yung nilagay kong bago. Galing ni Timmy, ah. Okay, come here, Timmy. Tim, come here. You want this? Wait na, I will cut. Shit. Wait there. Wait. You like this? Gustong-gusto niya tong liquid, yung na to, pagkain na to. Baka ito yung hinanap niya sa isang nyaw. Timmy, still here. Finish. Wait. Finish already. Enough. Nothing. Good job, Timmy. Wow. It's nice. Now, are you okay? Finish already. Finish now. Finish na. Good job, Timmy. Good job. Thank you, Timmy. Your mama. That's for Alex. And I need to iron, okay? That's why. Did you miss Alex? Madam Yuna? Timmy? Did you miss them? My ironing clothes. Yes. So what you need to do? Huh? Where you want to go? You want to play with me? Timmy? You want to play with Mary? Isos, Timmy. Isos, you want to play with me? But I have ironing there. Timmy, I have ironing there. I have ironing. Tim. Yes. Timmy. Yes, wait, I need to finish my iron clothes, okay? Later we will play after, and when I'm done, we will play together, okay? Okay, Timmy. Where's your ball? Take your ball, come. Come here. Tim. Where's your ball? What's that, Tim? You kick the shark? What is that there? Nothing. Take your ball. I'm busy. I cannot play with you now. Play with your own. That's Ara. Timmy, why are you going there? Tim, what are you doing there in the toilet? What are you doing in the toilet? Huh? Timmy, why you want to stay in? Why you want to stay there? Huh? I will play you after this, okay? I need to finish for my ironing clothes. Why you always kicking the shark? Huh, Timmy? Tim? Timmy? Why put Why you put here in the garbage? You don't like your shirt? Timmy, why you put in your shirt? Kawawa naman si shark. Timmy. Where's your small rock? I know you're finding your small rock. This is your small rock. Timmy. Did you miss your small rock? Tim. Uy, Tim, wait lang, Tim. You play there, okay? You can play with your own. Because I'm ironing there, okay? So that's why you're always nagging, because you want to play with me. Huh, Timmy? What's the thing? You like that pen? You like yours? You like this, ano? You like that, ano? That? You like biting that? Your claws is very, very sharp. Good job, Timmy. You catch it. Good job, Tim. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, good job. Good job, Timmy. Jump, jump, Tim, jump. Try to jump. Timmy. 1, 2. 1, 2, like a circus, Tim. You got it. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Catch it. Catch. Timmy. Catch it. Okay, Timmy. Get your small rat. Rescue it. Rescue. Rescue, Timmy. Rescue. Rescue, Timmy. Rescue, Timmy. Okay. You will be win if you got it. Whoop. Whoop. You got it, Timmy. You got it. You got it. You got it. Take, Timmy. Take. Okay, Timmy. My God, later we will do that again. Okay, Timmy? Okay.